Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for a smooth and safe repair process. Remember to power off your Lenovo Legion Pro 7 and disconnect it from any power source to prevent any electrical damage. Start by removing the screws located around the device's frame. There are typically 10 screws that you'll need to take out, so keep them organized to avoid confusion later. It's advisable to use a magnetic mat to hold these screws securely. After removing the screws, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover of the laptop. Be careful not to damage the clips that hold the cover in place. Once the back cover is off, you'll see the internal components of your Lenovo Legion Pro 7. Next, locate the battery connector and disconnect it to ensure safety while working with the screen. At this stage, if you feel uncertain about the process or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help clarify any issues. After disconnecting the battery, locate the display cable which connects the screen to the motherboard. Carefully undo the adhesive securing the cable and gently lift it out. You will also need to remove the screws holding the screen in place. There are usually 4 screws on the hinges, be sure to keep these screws separate from the others. With the screws removed, you can now gently lift the screen from its position. Ensure you have a firm grip and do this slowly to avoid damaging any connectors. If you find this step challenging, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which brings the repair directly to you, so you don't have to worry about transporting the device. Now, place the new screen in the same position as the old one. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the display cable and ensure it's seated correctly. Then, reconnect the battery connector to restore power to your device. Before reassembling the back cover, it's a good idea to clean the internal components with compressed air to remove any dust and debris. This helps in maintaining optimal performance and cooling. After cleaning, carefully align the back cover with the frame and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace all screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover firmly. Power on your Lenovo Legion Pro 7 to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, you have successfully replaced the screen. However, if you encounter issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. In summary, screen replacement can seem daunting, but with the right tools and careful steps, it can be accomplished successfully. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We are here to assist you with convenient solutions that make the process easier. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.